evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. So this entire week was actually quite terrible for markets across asset classes, equity, bonds and currency. And this is thanks to global and domestic events, the outcomes for which turned out to be quite negative. The INR in fact slipped to a low of 60 per dollar in intraday trade midweek, and now it's currently trading somewhere around 59.3 per dollar. The equity markets, thanks to the weak rupee, are also coming under pressure. Today was no different. However, the markets did recover from intraday lows and closed with slight gains. The BSE Sensex closed at 18,774 and the Nifty finished at 5667. Among sectoral indices, it was the rate sensitives which were at the bottom of the pile. The BSE Metals Index finally seeing some profit booking, down around 1.5% today. Also, the BSE Realty Index was down around 1.2%. At the top were IT and telecom stocks. The BSE IT Index was the top gainer, up around 1.5%, and the BSE Tech Index was up around 1.15%. Power stocks in fact had a good day today after the government has said that power generation companies can pass on the cost of imported coal to customers. So NTPC was up around 2.1% and Power Grid gained around 1.2%. Some of the other power companies like Adani and JSW did see 2 to 3% gains in intraday trade, but they could not sustain, and those stocks finally ended in the red. Reliance Capital fell around 3.3% today after the company has said that it will not sell any gold coins or physical gold through any of its businesses or subsidiaries, and it will also not extend any gold loans. This, it seems, is in an attempt to curb the imports of gold, which have gone quite high in the last couple of months. Other than that, finance companies actually did well. This is in anticipation of more banking licenses as the time comes to start applying. So boards of these companies are giving the go ahead. LIC Housing Finance, which got the go ahead from its board, was up as much as 2% in intraday trade, but finally ended with gains of around 0.3%. Religare Enterprises also gained around 1.8% today. Coming back to Sensex stocks, ONGC was the biggest gainer, up around 2.5%, and Infosys was up around 2.2%. At the bottom were metal stocks. Jindal Steel was the biggest loser, down 8%, and Hindalco fell around 4%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemin.com for more details. Thank you.